CQI-15 Welding System Assessment WSA Training and Implementation Support. Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Pvt. Today's session focuses on CQI-15 Welding System Assessment, an AIAG Special Process Assessment standard developed to ensure robust welding process control, defect prevention, and customer compliance. Welding is a special process, which means the quality of the final weld cannot be fully verified by inspection alone. Therefore, welding quality depends heavily on proper process control, qualified personnel, controlled equipment and parameters. Systematic assessments. In this video, we will walk through what is CQI-15 is, why it is critical for automotive suppliers, key assessment requirements, common audit gaps, and how URGS supports training and implementation. What is CQI-15? CQI-15 stands for Welding System Assessment WSA and is part of the AIAG CQI Special Process Series, which also includes CQI-9 heat treatment, CQI-12 coating, CQI-23 molding. CQI-15 provides a structured methodology to evaluate whether welding processes are defined, controlled, monitored, and capable of consistently producing conforming welds. It applies to multiple welding processes including resistance welding, arc welding, laser welding, stud welding, brazing and soldering. Why CQI-15 is important? Many welding defects occur due to incorrect parameters, poor equipment condition, inadequate proper training, lack of process monitoring, weak documentation and traceability. CQI-15 helps organizations reduce weld failures and rework, improve weld consistency and strength, meet OEM and customer specific requirements, prepare for second party and customer audits, build confidence in welding as a controlled special process. Today, many automotive OEMs expect suppliers to conduct CQI-15 self-assessments and demonstrate effective corrective actions. Structure of CQI-15 assessment. CQI-15 assessment is organized into key focus areas, including first, management responsibility, defined roles for welding processes, quality planning and objectives, management involvement and review. Second, welding process control, identification of critical welding parameters, risk analysis and control plans, reaction plans for process deviations. Third, equipment, tooling and machine, approved and qualified welding equipment, preventive maintenance programs, calibration of monitoring devices. Fourth, welding parameters and monitoring, current, voltage, time, force, speed, heat input, parameter limits and alarms, data recording and trend analysis, operator qualification and documentation, operator qualification and competency, defined qualification requirements, training and certification records, periodic requalification and skill validation, documentation and records, welding procedures and work instructions, process flow diagrams and control plans, weld traceability and batch records, non-conformance and corrective action records. CQI-15 strongly emphasizes that documents must reflect actual shop floor practices. Internal assessments and audit readiness. CQI-15 requires organizations to perform internal welding system assessments, use trained assessors, identify gaps objectively, close findings with effective corrective actions. Common audit expectations. Evidence of controlled welding parameters. Consistent operator practices. Equipment maintenance and calibration records. Management review of assessment results. Common non-conformities. Uncontrolled parameter changes. Inadequate reaction plans. Poor corrective action effectiveness. Practical implementation and URGS approach. At URGS International, we go beyond classroom training. Our CQI-15 training and implementation support includes interpretation of AIAG CQI-15 intent, gap analysis against existing welding systems, practical audit scenarios and case studies, support in documentation development, on-site or remote implementation assistance, audit readiness and second-party audit support. Our goal is not just audit compliance, but strong, reliable and customer-approved welding systems. Who should attend CQI-15 training? CQI-15 training is highly recommended for welding and manufacturing engineers, quality and supplier quality professionals, special process owners, internal and second party auditors, automotive OEM and supplier organizations. Now, at last, conclusion and call to action. To summarize, CQI-15 is a powerful tool for improving weld quality and consistency, process discipline, customer confidence, audit readiness. URGS International Engineering Services Pvt Limited offers CQI-15 professional training, implementation and gap closure support, internal assessments and audit preparation. Email info@urgseng.com. Mobile +91 7359 458455. Thank you for watching. If you found this session valuable, like, share and subscribe for more expert content on AIAG, CQI standards and special process excellence. Thank you.